If your AC isn't keeping you cool, you're not alone. Chevy Traverse owners run into this a lot. Let's fix your AC compressor step by step. First, make sure your AC problem is really the compressor. Turn on your car and set the AC to max cold. Listen for clicking sounds under the hood. No click? The compressor may not be turning on. Second, check your fuses and AC relay in the fuse box. If any are blown, replace them and test the AC again. Still not working? Move on to the next step. Third, test the AC clutch. With the engine off, look at the front of the compressor. If the clutch isn't engaging when the AC is on, it might be faulty. Fourth, check your refrigerant level. Low refrigerant means the compressor won't run. You can use a recharge kit, but follow instructions carefully. If the compressor still doesn't kick on, it could be a bigger problem. Last, if all else fails, the compressor itself may need to be replaced. This is a tough job. If you're not comfortable, call a pro. Remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working under the hood. With these steps, you'll know what's wrong and how to get your Chevy Traverse chilled out again.